Hi, this is PD 30 watts power strip. This is a master switch. It also has two AC interfaces, one Type-C and two USB ports. Its material is PC. It comes with anti-skidding design. Diameter is 106 mm, thickness is 30 mm. The length of wire is 1.5 meters. It comes in different colors. When you plug in the adapter of power strip, please switch it on using the button. When you do it, the LED light will be on. When you turn off the power, the LED light will go off, and the whole power supply will be cut off. It has input and output ports. Input and output details are shown on screen. It can support 5 devices at the same time. It comes with multiple protections as shown on screen. We have multiple certifications for this product as shown on screen.